gonna shoot this episode through a guide's perspective. It's me and Neil here and my brother and Yuri from the West Coast. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna get some few peilies.
Bietjie harder gooi. First time fishing after the Grandmasters.
Ja.
Ons het lelike viskoors.
Yeah, we're gonna show you in a guiding perspective what we do and how we do it.
But first, die malot gesie. Laat hom sak tot onder.
Jy moet verbaas wees. Hier kom maar. Yes man.
Wakko mallets. There we go. There we go.
Skop hom. Dis so mooi uit. Ek sien hom sommer.
Nog een so gooi ons reg vanmôre.
Ja, die is goed dit.
En dan bruin sommer van hulle, né?
Ja. Beslis. Hier is die ekstra Justin so dit sig wil gesien het.
So, sorry guys, I'm not gonna throw today. It's Dean's turn.
Yeah, he also has Crocs on.
Ja, is lekker braai hardertjies hier in. Okay, so we have changed spots because the tide's going out. We need a couple of fish more, so we are throwing here by the jetty. And we've just seen some nice small mullet. One throw and I think we will be done here. So, Dean. Yeah.
It's quite difficult to throw in the wind, but yeah, let's see.
Oh, full net.
That's it for today. Goodbye and good night.
Okay, there we go guys, we have enough mullets. So yeah, Dean, see you at home, eh?
Goodbye.
Okay guys, so after we've caught all that mullet, we went to Varkensvlei the next morning. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I only put in one fish of each, the bonus fishes for the day. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. We will reply to you guys.
So yeah, he's filleting the bait.
Remember to remove the bone.
We did cast some fresh mullets yesterday, as you've seen on the video. So yeah, this is it. First hook. Through. Just like that, no cotton.
No cotton.
Other one is through the head. And a bit of backbone. Yeah, Neil is looking for a bit of color now. He's gonna throw it. Just how far you gonna throw? Yeah, there's a small reef here. You will see it on the video. And he's yeah, keep your balance. Don't fuck with me. There's it. Yeah! Fish on! Yes, kyk hoe boil hy ding aan die water. Dit is 'n bloery.
Say guys, that's after me and Dean saw the pilot swimming in front, we changed direction.
Guiding 101.
Yeah, now we've got to land this thing.
Yo, that thing is boiling there in the water. but it's fast. I don't know, it looks like a Blu-ray. It's a bluey. Kan jy hom dalk land? It's an eagle. Yeah, it's a bluey. Okay, jy sal hom nou maar met uitwers. Ja. A nice blue pailie.
First pailie for the season for me. First through of the afternoon. That's why we use it. Yeah. Say,
blue pailie.
Release it. Oh, kom maar.
He's got a decent sense shot. You wanna see it? It's female. Hij lijkt mooi, ja zei.
Daai vis is swem aan na. Val af. Jy! Jy waar gaan jy nou, Wil? Waar jy visie, bring hom. Hey jou. Ai, wat maak jy? Okay, ek gaan die kamera eers afsit dat ek kan skuif en dan neem ek jou visie af, alright. Okay, ek hou julle op hoogte, kerels. Wag nee, kom ons neem die verre af. Kom, stiks op die klip. As hy. Hey jou, waar gaan jy? Sy. Raymond se rog is hier voor. Wel dan Raymond. Sy, die ou pylievanger. Dankie, die nou. Sy. So op die pennetjie. Hy brand, vra maar ek weet. Sit gou weer jou visie van vinnig en dan kyk die water stoot nou lekker. Op die malooi. Dit is looi, braaf. Op die malooi sê jy. Malooi. Op pas. Sai. Mooi ding. Mooi Raymond. Kijk, dit is die aan over pijlie. Dat is een maase ding!
Yeah, open up your ears for a second.
Hier word ek op my gekry. Ja, dat kyk wat popel.
You must speak the English, hey?
That's a big fish! Holy jumper Jozo!
Be mollet.
Yes!
Somebody's stuck out there. Okay, well, Dean's busy fighting. I'll record him now. He's gonna put on the bait. Blauw rock. Yeah, Yuri? Fish is biting. Come, Dean.
Presenting the metalloid today. 4 metalloids here. Hier maar dat Yuri. Wow! Pas. Okay. Goed blauw van
land that fish for Dean quickly. There goes another one. Okay, Yuri is on now. Dean is still fighting his fish, and Yuri is already landing his fish there. He's got the small blue paley over there. Okay, Dean, I'm gonna land your fish. Here we go. Nice fish, guys, nice fish. Wait, do you know? I say Raymond landed his fish. He's on his way out. So let's see what this fish look like. Very nice eagle. Say Raymond's eagle. Kom vast. There we go. Say, mooi visie. Yeah. Hy is ten minste 'n meter plus hou. Fuck it. Mooi visie. Say. Niet pas krap die hoor. Katay, mooi man.
Yuri, waar toe gaan hy?
Ja, ek gaan doen.
Get home. Yuri sê hy is nou moeg vir sy gemeet, hy vang hulle nou self.